Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Ameriprise financial online banking service. So if you want to be on Ameriprise financial online banking service, these are certain instructions and step-by-step methods that you need to follow in order to create and enroll for this account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the app on your device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on the login page where you'll be asked to enter your user ID and your password in order to log into your account. But since you're a new user over here, tap on the new user option. And it says here that to use the mobile application, one must be a registered user of the secure site on Ameriprise.com, register at Ameriprise financial website. So this page can only be used for logging in. It cannot be used for signing up for the account. So tap on visit the website now, after which you will now be directed towards the Ameriprise official website, through where you will have to enter the credentials in order to sign up for your account. So now, in order to register for online access, there will have to be 4 steps that you need to complete. The very first being entering the last 4 digits of your social security number, entering your correct date of birth, and entering your last name as shown on your account statement, and then tap on continue. After completing the first step, you still have 3 more steps to go, and after completing these 3 steps as well, your account will now have gotten created. You can simply tap on the upper left done after that, and then go back and then enter your user ID and your password in order to log into your account. So this is basically how you can sign up for Ameriprise financial online banking service. It's a very simple process, and I hope that I've been able to aid you through it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to How to Geek, and don't forget to push that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.